Hi, Dixie. What are you doing? You kittens are so curious. What are you doing? Let's see if we can get you on camera, guys. Go on, Domino. Go on. What is that? You smell good. You smell like a good kitty. You're like, I just like to look at myself. We're gonna show that to Emily.